This is trash to cash. In the last episode, I took a wooden cupboard that I got for free off Facebook Marketplace, upcycled it and turned it into a modern gaming unit. That thankfully went on to sell for £50. I think that's a great profit, especially when it cost me nothing in the first place. So we're £50 up in the series. Let's see if we can take it a step further with this episode. I know what you're probably thinking, why have you picked a chair? Chairs are really boring. And they are really boring, especially when you got one like this that would have been part of a set and that somebody has already tried to do a little bit of an upcycle on already. These kind of chairs go all the while online. You'll see them all over the place. People are putting them out on the driveway, first come first serve kind of thing. If you haven't got a full set, then really difficult to sell. This one, I've got plans to turn it into a planter. I really think that getting rid of both wheels is going to be the way to go. This one's already fallen out completely, so I'll remove this one, but then of course it's going to be unbalanced because the back legs are a bit longer, so I'll have to cut those off flush to match the length of the front legs. But before I start chopping any legs to pieces, we first need to deal with the material. We need to get it all taken off, get rid of the wadding and the foam underneath, sort out the backrest, and then see where we're at. I'm going to use an old screwdriver to help give me some purchase and get it all ripped off. These springs actually don't look too bad for their age. I'll put these to one side because who knows, they could be of some use later down the line in the challenge. Now, to be honest, it's taken a lot longer than I thought it would to get all of these staples out. There's a hell of a lot more than I thought there would be. So I'm thinking if they're hammered in flush, when it's painted you probably won't even see them. But they've got all this material, foam and fabric all still stuck to them. So to get rid of it, I'm going to use a blowtorch. Nice and easy. Obviously you've got to be careful if you're doing anything like this. Just keep an eye on it and make sure that the wood doesn't catch. The seat itself is looking a bit shallow for a planter, so I need to box it out somehow. So to save a bit of money, I decided to use the decking offcuts from the last project, which was a garden table repair. If you haven't seen that one, check the link in the description and check it out. The offcut pieces will be ideal for this planter. I'll just drill some pilot holes and secure them in place with screws. I cut some 12mm plywood to shape and secured it in place with some screws. Using a handsaw, I cut the back legs so there was the same length as the front legs. I don't know, at the moment, if it was a painting, it would probably be abstract, but hopefully, when we've got a coat of paint on it, it should tie it all together a bit better. I'm just using a regular garden paint. This is suitable for benches and chairs, anything outside really, so it should be ideal for this. Now I just need to line the inside of the planter section. I'm just using some plastic for this and hold it in place with some staples. And I remember to drill some drainage holes so the water can easily drain away. So here it is done. It's definitely abstract. Maybe we could go with shabby chic. I think that's what you call things when it doesn't turn out how you expected. But at the end of the day, it's usable as a planter. The chair was free. I don't think you can really go wrong. And to hopefully sweeten the deal and to get a bit more of a sale, these plants I'm just in for show for this video. But I'm going to include a couple of bags of compost. These was £3.80 each. And some £3.75 seeds. So all in all, this has cost me £11.35. So as long as it sells for more than that, we're still in profit for the charity, so fingers crossed. I do hope that you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments down below. What did I do wrong? What should I have used instead of this decking? I think it probably is the decking that spoiled it a little bit, but I needed that depth just so you could get a decent amount of compost in there so you can plant the seeds. But you live and learn. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you click the subscribe button and click the little bell icon next to it. That way you'll get a notification as soon as you upload a new video. Thank you all for watching.